Welcome back to the class. Okay, the last time we met, we drafted our pattern, our full pattern from shoulder to the floor. And the whole idea is to have all-in-one pattern that you can use for a top, for a skirt, and for a full dress. Okay, so that's exactly what we did. Now, we're going to create our bust dart and contour the upper part of this pattern. So let's do it. Now, the way this pattern is, I can cut it out and use it for a kaftan fit, just add ease on the fabric. I can use this to do a shift dress, just reduce to the length that I want. I can use this pattern the way it is to do a fitted dress, but this time I'm going to sew the darts and cut off all those ones. So it will be fitted on my body, but it's not going to be contoured. So what do we mean by being contoured? We just mean having it to form or fit to the body form, having the shape of our bust and every part of our body. And most times when we contour, we try to hide the non-flattering part of our body and try to emphasize on the parts we want to show. That's what contouring is. Okay, but let's move on. So like I said, we're going to draw the bust part dart. This is just the waist dart and this shape dart that we did the last time. So how do we go about that? The difference between your front and back half length. The difference between your front and back half length is your bust dart. Now our front half length is 18, while our back half length is 15. So the difference between the two is what? 3 inches. So that's the beauty of drafting your pattern together. If you measure from your top line to this part, to the top line of the back pattern, anything you have there is the difference between the two half lengths. Because we squared our half length, our front half length from our CF to our CB the last time we were drafting. So you go ahead and mark 3 inches on the shape line, okay, and draw your dart. Let me get my ruler. Now your dart will be ½ inch away from your bust point. So I'm connecting this 3 inches like so to this ½ inch, like so. So this is our bust dart. So the next thing you do is to get the middle of this 3 inches, which is 1.5. So that is the darts, the main dart lines, and these are the dart legs. Whenever you see us do this, we're just trying to emphasize that it's a dart. Okay, so with this dart, my clothes will fit me on my body exactly how I want. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead to cut off this pattern from this frame. So once I cut it out, I will demonstrate how you can use it on a fabric to do whatever you want to do. Stay tuned.